I tell you what, total frustration today. And I'll tell you why. Let me sit down for a second. Can you see me? I'm having some oatmeal today. I went to the store this morning to get a few things because I'm going to film a few recipes later. I want to do some baked apples with like a streusel type topping over them, just like the whole, cut them in half and just bake them that way, you know, get the seeds out of them and all that good stuff. Hot. You hear Boots? No. You've had enough treats. But anyway, I'm having some oatmeal for breakfast this morning. I got some of the maple and brown sugar because I'm going to do, like I said, the baked apples for you guys. A recipe. I'm going to show you how to make some delicious baked apples. But I decided I wanted some oatmeal today. I love oatmeal. It's very good for you if you don't get it too hot. I didn't sleep well last night. I get so tired. I know I've told you this like a million times, but you guys know I work night shift. I work 6 p to 6 a. Life of a healthcare worker. I was so tired last night when I went to bed. I was sitting there just holding my computer, just nodding my head off. I thought I was going to drop my computer, so I got up and let the dogs out, and this is about 11:30, and went to bed. Lo and behold, the last time I looked at the clock, it was like 3:30 in the morning, so I never fell asleep. Got back up a little bit after 6. So frustrated with that. It's aggravating. And there's a lot of things I wanted to do today. When there's quite a bit of filming I wanted to do today. I'm going to do a beautiful one pot pasta again. I know you guys like one pot meals. I like one pot meals. I'm going to show you a nice delicious one pot pasta meal. I want to do the baked apples. I also want to do a smoked sausage hash, which has potatoes and smoked sausage and some onions and lots of beautiful different colored peppers. And what else did I want to do? I also bought some chicken. I bought a whole pack. They had like the whole cut up fryers, fairly cheap for like $7 and something for a big fryer, like a whole chicken cut up. I'm going to cook that for my dogs. I bought some brown rice. I'm going to cook it in some chicken stock or some type of stock, some brown rice. I'm going to add some peas and carrots because I like to add a little bit of, they always get a treat in the morning. They don't get just the dry food. They get it mixed with some wet food. They absolutely love that. So my son was telling me about him making, you know, some treats for his dog, Zeus. So I think I'm going to... What do you smell back there, Roscoe? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make some of that and mix it with their food in the mornings. You know, it's much healthier. You got your chicken, your brown rice, and your vegetables. You don't know what the hell they're putting in that canned dog food or, you know, whether it's that Caesar or pedigree or whatever. You don't know what's in there. So at least I know that they're going to have a good, healthy eating. So they're going to love that. They're going to love that. Nose is running. I had an amazing weekend. My family came over. We cooked out for Labor Day weekend. It's hard to believe that this is already September. You know, I swear, I know I've said this too, but I feel like I'm just dragging that Christmas tree out day before yesterday. But it's, you know, it's getting the holiday season again. Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas. I tell you, when you get old, time just flies. It's like, where does time go? But anyway, I don't really have a whole lot to say. I'm a little frustrated this morning. I'll tell you why. My daughter's homecoming is October the 22nd, and I have to work that day. Or not October, September the 22nd. And I have to work. That's my weekend of work. I can't find anybody to pick that night up for me or switch nights with me. So I am really extremely frustrated over that, because guess what? I am not missing her homecoming. Let me repeat that again. I am not going to miss that night. So it is what it is. But I'm never one to miss work. I mean, I think I've missed a day of work in like 5 years, so. But I'd rather get it covered. I'm just aggravated because it's just aggravating. But anyway, I'm also going to show you guys today how to do, I know it sounds so simple and easy, corn on the cob, but there's a lot of people who really don't know how to cook corn on the cob. I mean, my corn on the cob is absolutely phenomenal. And it's not really, it's just more of a technique. So what I'm making today for dinner, it's going to be something light, because I texted my husband and said, what do you want for dinner tonight? And he says, well, it's really going to be hot. And it is. It's going to be like super hot today. We're going into another heat wave. Wonderful. But he said something light. So we're going to do salads. I'm going to fry some steaks up in my trusty, oh, what is that pan? Cast iron, my cast iron skillet, and I'm just going to do some fresh corn on the cob. So I'll drop my oatmeal. That's light, and it's delicious, and it's healthy. But let me show you something. I bought these at the store. He likes to eat these when it's super duper hot out. These tuna creations. And I got these at my grocery store. They're like $1.89 at my grocery store. This is a Thai chili style. And the jalapeno. Now they've got all different kinds of flavors. They've got like 6 or 7. What the hell? Somebody's texting me. But he likes these. And these are $1.89 at my grocery store. And you can get the same thing. You can get the same things at the dollar store. And they're only like $1. Alright, I texted my husband and told him I got him some of these. He's like, what do you, he always texts me what's up. So I said, I'm about to sleep, putting a few groceries away and such, and I got you some more of the tuna creations. He says, cool, I like them better than the weenies. Because he's still doing that low carb. Now, yeah, that's why he's getting skinny and I'm still fat as a damn horse. But he kind of takes a break on the weekends. But, I mean, he's still doing really super good. He says, cool, I like them better than the weenies, because he snacks on those little Viennese weenies. And he says his break is over until pizza night, LOL, because he always has pizza on Thursday. He's always had pizza, even doing the low carb, the hardcore low carb. He always had something to look forward to. He didn't take the whole day off, meal, you know, whatever. He took, he just had pizza on Thursday nights. And that was kind of something to look forward to. And you know what? He's lost about 60 pounds, so good for him. Bastard, that's all I gotta say. I can't. I gotta eat. I gotta have some food. Now, shit. Now he's like, what we gonna do on our anniversary? My anniversary's coming up. September the 9th. He said, what are we going to do on our anniversary? I said, don't know. Probably the same thing we did last year. Nothing. I gotta get out of this mood. I gotta get out of this mood. I'm just really upset about having to work for homecoming. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just not gonna do it. So I'm not gonna get myself upset or psyched up over it because I'm just not gonna do it. You hear me? This oatmeal's too thick. This oatmeal's like me, it's too thick. But anyway, that's what I got going on today. I gotta clean my house. So, what you got going on today? I hope you guys all had an amazing holiday weekend. It's always nice to have that extra day off, you know. Of course, some people have those extra days off. I don't. I always pick up like I call myself an hour whore. I like to pick up a lot of hours at work. I don't know why. And I'm rubbing oatmeal all over my face. I swear to you, that's oatmeal. That's nothing else. I don't know how I'm doing it because I had it on that bowl. But anyway, I'm going to get off here because I have a lot of stuff to do. Got a lot of filming I want to do for you guys and all that good stuff. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. Give me a thumbs up if you are. Give me a thumbs up if you're not. Leave your hateful ass comments to yourself. If you don't like them, go on down the road. But you know I love you guys so very much. And I'll see you soon. Bye.